ay isang team, tayo ay isang team na lalaban sa Division Presscon. Sa Division Presscon, ang Torrejos ang magniningning. Congratulations everyone at magandang araw sa lahat.
Thank you so much, Doc Joven Mugol, for your inspiring words and continued support of our student journalists. Your dedication to fostering creativity and critical thinking with our students is truly invaluable. And now to familiarize ourselves with what will take place today, let's have the orientation proper. May we call on the Principal 1 of Marlanga Elementary School, Ma'am Edna M. Halos. Let us give her a round of applause.
So, kasalukuyan pong ginaganap ngayon ang 2024 District Schools Press Conference dito sa Puctoy National High School at ito po'y dinadaluhan ng iba't ibang mga mag-aaral mula po sa distrito ng Bayan ng Torrijos kung saan ay inaasahan ang kapag-aaralan at paghuhusayin pa ng mga kabataan ang kanilang skills sa larangan ng pagsusulat, sa broadcasting at iba pa. Yan. So magandang araw po sa lahat ng ating mga kabarangay. Ang ilan sa mga aktibidades po para sa gawain ngayon ay magkakaroon po ng lecture and contest proper. Ito po yung patungkol sa press conference. Bali, meron pong ito po yung paghahandaan na ginaganap ng distrito ng Torrijos, Schools Divisions of Marinduque, District
to our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Joven Marasigan Mugol.
Labanan o kompetisyon.
To our Board of Judges.
Isa ako sa paginahin natin ang mensahe.
To our resource speaker, Sir Romeo Mataak Jr. from the Marinduque News. Sir Junjun Sapungan, the principal from Dasan District. Sir Ruel Laririd from Landi National High School. Our EPS, Dr. Freddy Malabayabas. Ma'am Mary Joy Laracas, the master teacher of Sawi Elementary School. And Ma'am Floridel Malabayabas, the master teacher of Marinduque National High School. To our school paper advisors, school young journalists, to the host schools, to the 27 elementary school heads and 8 public high schools and 1 private school, our Mother of Perpetual Support Academy, my co-school heads, good morning.
Good morning po.
So, this morning, you have already heard some important points from our public schools district supervisor, and I know you are very inspired. So, as per the District Memorandum number 10, 2024, here are the guidelines. This event is pursuant to Republic Act RA number 7079, also known as the Campus Journalism Act of 1991, which stipulates the annual holding of a school press conference. This December 11 to 12, 2024 at Puctoy Elementary School and Puctoy National High School. So the activity aims to demonstrate an understanding of journalism through skillful execution in various platforms. Recognize the role of journalism in advocating for social consciousness and environmental awareness. Promote fair and ethical use of media as tenets of responsible journalism. Foster camaraderie and enrich learning experiences through healthy and friendly competitions. Provide learners opportunities to use their skills learned in campus journalism. So, the participants in this activity are the Filipino and English school paper advisors and campus journalists of the elementary and secondary schools of Torrejos District, including the only one private school, the OMSA. So, these activities intended for the training and the contest proper will cover the whole day of December 11. So ngayon po in the morning. So the resource speaker and judges are requested to provide the contestant with a brief lecture before the competition in the contest team or fact sheets or the test or the contest proper. So after po ng orientation, bawat category, ang high school po ay dito po sa taas at ang elementary po ay doon po sa Puktoy Elementary School. For the general guidelines, all contest categories are open to all public and private elementary. So the school contest or the contest both in Filipino and English are divided into two categories, the individual and the group contest. For the English medium, news writing, sports, pagsulat ng balita, sports writing, pagsulat ng balitang sports, science and technology writing, pagsulat ng balitang agham at teknolohiya, picture writing, pagsulat ng lathalain, editorial cartooning, pagguhit ng kartong editorial, editorial writing, pagsulat ng pangulong tudlin, copy reading and headline writing, pagwawasto ng CP at pag-uulo ng balita, copy reading and headline writing, photojournalism, pagkuha ng larawang pampahayagan, column writing at pagsulat ng column. Para po sa group contest, mayroon tayong collaborative desktop publishing, English and Filipino. So, radio script writing and broadcasting, both English and Filipino. So, each contestant can compete in only one category and medium. Ano po, isa lang pong contestant per category ang sasalihan. The decision of the Board of Judges is final and irrevocable. Only the top 5 shall be recognized as winners and receive a certificate of recognition and a medal for the champion, first runner-up, and second runner-up. The 5 performing schools will be declared by combining all the points obtained by each school and shall receive a certificate of recognition and a trophy. For the specific guidelines, so young journalists who are the newswriter, hello? That's the po kamay, newswriter, feature writer, editorial writer, science and technology writer, sports writer, and column writer. So the fact sheets or other sources of information shall be given to the contestant as basis for writing the article to be prepared by the Board of Judges. So para naman po sa copy reading and headline writing, journalists, mga copy reader natin and headline writer, the contestant shall bring their pencil for the contest. The contestant shall follow the directions given in the contest piece. The contestant shall provide a headline for the article. For the editorial cartooning, the contestant shall bring their own pencil number 2 and Oslo papers for the contest. The cartoon must be anchored on the given topic or issue. The cartoon should be compliant with the professional and ethical standards of media. For the photojournalism, contestants should be at the venue 30 minutes before the orientation on the guideline and rubric. The contestant